is a lot of paintings. Hi guys, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show my paintings, 165 paintings for half a year. I love painting, so I want to challenge myself. Paint every day. So this is all my paintings for half a year. I love travel. I love beautiful landscape. So you can see a lot of my painting is beautiful landscape. This is like a painting diary. I remember some beautiful sight for a long time. Also, I want to share the beautiful for others. I think maybe every girl loves flowers. Also, I like trees because I think tree give people very strong. Sometimes I want to paint people, and sometimes I want to remember some feelings. And also, some of my painting is show my feelings. Yeah, I think this is life, good and bad. I like sunset because I think sunset is amazing beautiful. The warm color and the cold color mixed together. And I think paint is a magic because if you have bad mood, you can paint it. After painting, you can change your mood, be better, be strong, be warm, be peaceful, be happy, and so on. So, if you feel something bad, something sad, if you love painting, so you can do it. Just do it. To try these amazing things to change your life, change your day, change your moment. So let's start it. this is all my paintings for half a year. 165. Thanks for watching. Bye.